Hello, you beautiful people. How are you all doing today? A very warm hello from me, Preeti Vora, a tarot card reader, an angel therapist, and an emotional health advisor. Today, I have a question for you, and I really expect a very honest answer. So, my question to you is: are you in love? Think and answer. If you are someone who has said a no, then let me tell you, it's time you fall in love with yourself. If you are someone who has said, yes, I am in love, your next question is, with whom? With whom are you in love with? Your first name should be myself. If you haven't taken that, it's time to ponder. Why are you not the first person whom you are in love with? So the secret of happiness in one's life is self-love. If you don't love yourself, no one can love you, nor can you love anyone. Even if you manage to do so, the relationship is going to be topsy-turvy with sorrows and worries, etc., etc. So, according to me, the first secret of happiness is self-love. Love yourself unconditionally. Fall in love with yourself if you haven't as yet. So today my video is going to be about the benefits of loving your own self. Point 1. You feel beautiful. Okay? If you fall in love with yourself, you feel beautiful. You feel healthy physically, mentally, as well as emotionally. You feel a charge of energy, a rush of energy. You don't need to look for motivation and positivity outside. You find it all within your own self. You're self-motivated, you feel confident, you have a great self-esteem. Okay? Having said all this, what happens is you naturally lower your stress levels. Your stress levels go down, you enjoy yourself, and automatically your immune system increases. You have a very strengthened, strong immune system. And with a healthy body, mental peace, and emotional stability, all that's going to happen is increased productivity. Your productivity increases, you perform well, you do good, everything in your life just seems to be perfect. Having said this, if you really want to fall in love with yourself for all the benefits that I have just mentioned, I'm here with a few affirmations that you can start with to fall in love with yourself, to increase your self-love quotient. And here it goes. First affirmation that you can say yourself daily is, I love you. Look in the mirror and say, I love you. Second, I believe in myself and my abilities. I believe in myself and my abilities. Third, I am perfect in my own way. I am perfect in my own way. Fourth, I am confident and energetic. I am confident and energetic. I am vibrant and magical. I am vibrant and magical. I respect myself. I love and respect myself. I love and respect myself. I deserve the best of things in life. I deserve the best of things in life. I love myself. I simply love myself. That has to be the energy that you emit when you fall in love with yourself. It's going to be love, love, love all the way through. So please indulge in self-love, and I am all yours to listen to your experiences. Please feel free to share with me either in the comments below or in my email box. The ID is being given below. Do feel free to connect. I'll be happy to hear your love stories with your own self. Till then, feel love, be in love with yourself. Stay blessed.